Hey friends, today we are diving into the world of the blockchain. Ever heard of it and also wonder how it actually works? Well, you are in the right place. Let's explore blockchains in a way that's super easy to understand. Ready? Let's go. A chain where each link is a digital block. Now imagine that each block can store informations like a digital box. This chain of block is what we call blockchain. Each block can hold all sorts of information, but let's say it keeps detail about transactions. Like when someone buys something with digital currency, every time a new transactions happen, it records in a new block. Once a block is full of informations, it's sealed out of linked to the previous block, forming a chain. So the cool part, each block has a unique code, kind of like a fingerprint that connects to the next block code, making the chain super secure. One of the best thing about the blockchain is how secure it is. It's almost impossible to change informations in block without messing up the whole chain. Plus, everyone who's part of the blockchain networks can see the transactions, making it really transparent but also private. And that's the basics of the blockchain works. A secure chain of digital blocks that store and also product informations. What do you think about blockchains? Any cool uses you can imagine for it? Drop your thoughts in the comment below. If you like this explanations, give us a thumb up and also share with your friends and subscribe for more fun tech insights. Catch you in the next video.